Good afternoon. Bring a trailer community to our auction for this 1982 Mercedes-Benz 300 turbo diesel wagon. This is a W123 chassis car. It is in fantastic condition and we're going to take it for a ride. We'll see you on the road. So it's been outside for most of the day. We're just getting to this video now. This diesel starts right up. Let the glow plug light go off. There it is. I'm gonna put on my seatbelt, and you'll see in the photo gallery the interior is in excellent condition. The wood is great, the dash is great, and we're joined today by Matteo in the back seat because he loves this car.
Very much so.
And he just wanted to go for a ride, so that's what we're doing. We're going for a ride. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's what this is all about. Showing 114,840 miles. All right, and here we go. There's really nothing like driving one of these. They're considered by many people to be the finest Mercedes products ever made. Luckily, this one has a turbo. The non-turbo NA cars could be said they're a little sluggish. This one has plenty of get up and go. We're just going to warm it up a little bit, even though it's around 140 degrees outside, or 80. I don't know. What do you think, Matteo?
It's feeling like a ripe 100.
It's feeling like a ripe 100.
Ripe 100 with this wind, it's beautiful.
The wind is really nice. All right, here we are driving along. We've got some heat into the engine, having a great time. These are really, really great cars to drive. They have plenty of power. They're smooth. They are just designed like no other automobile on the road. And there's a reason why today they have such a strong cult following. I mean, Matteo said it best when we were accelerating, right, Matteo?
Oh, it's very smooth. And
It's smooth.
Giddy up and go.
What do you think, Dawn? Miss Kames, what do you think?
I think it is pretty smooth, and never know it was a diesel until it was idling.
That's a good point. Great oil pressure, up to temperature. And they are just so rewarding, and they've got lots of cargo space. So these are our twisty roads, and while the wagon isn't exactly what you would consider a back road bomber, it does great. This is a heavy, sturdy automobile, and there's a reason why people have fallen in love with these W123 wagons. There are no dash lights on. Really can't ask for much more. Again, you'll look at the photos in the photo gallery. You'll see that the interior is in excellent condition. This car was owned by a collector and a close friend of Autosport Designs. He only has the best stuff. He really takes care of his cars, and we're really proud to be offering this for sale. So we're going to come up to our flyby spot so you can see this wagon in action, and we'll be with you in a moment. Love you, Dylan. All right, everybody. I know those weren't the most exciting flybys, the fastest flybys, but it shows this car in action. And not only is it reliable and well maintained, but it's a lot of fun to drive around. And I'll tell you, we've gotten the thumbs up twice already. People love these wagons. I love them too. They feel so certain on the road. They're confident, They're well made, and like I said, this one's been well maintained, very well taken care of. It has only the slightest amount of patina, which I think is kind of cool and, you know, goes with the vibe of this wagon. They're not meant to be perfect. They want to be driven, they want to be used. And this is the one where you get in, you turn the key and go. It is that reliable. Here we are on the farm road, everybody. It cruises without effort. That diesel 6-cylinder just pushes you along with that turbo. Before we know it, we're doing highway speeds. It's quiet. I have not heard a squeak or a rattle for this entire road test. It's an absolute joy, and whoever gets this wagon is getting one of the good ones, that's for sure. So we're going to clean it up, bring it back to the dealership, put it back in the showroom, and await any questions you may have. Again, we're so thrilled to be offering a really, really nice 300 TD wagon, W123 chassis to the world. If you have any questions, please contact us, and we will see you on the next one. Ciao.